Hi Thinkers, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence playlist on Thinkers Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to cover all the important points about generate and test algorithm. So far, we have already studied about what is artificial intelligence and how an AI agent solves a particular problem. So we have already discussed that if we have a AI agent, the purpose of an AI agent is to actually solve a problem. Now, in order to solve a problem, we first have to represent the problem in the form of a state space representation, right? So, we'll have to convert it into a state space representation. And once we have converted the problem into a state space representation, the AI agent will be able to perform some of the algorithms in the state space and find out the possible solutions. Now we are going to study, we have already studied that in this state space uh, representation, we can use heuristic functions or heuristic search technique. Heuristic function is basically a guide to the state space or the searching algorithms, which basically makes the AI agent reach the solution to the problem in a very optimized fashion, right? So now there are various algorithms that an AI agent can use to find out or to traverse inside of the state space to reach the particular solution, or we can say the goal state, right? So the generate and test is one of the very simplest algorithms, and for very simple type of problems we can use this algorithm. So let's see what this algorithm is and how it works, right? So let's suppose we have some problem and we have the state space representation of the problem, right? So let's say this is a problem. We have just taken a simple example. Let's say this is the state space representation of some problem where we have the goal state here. So the generate and test algorithm says that if an AI agent wants to reach the goal state, it will have to perform these steps. Let's take a look at the first step. The first step says that generate the current state as initial state. So the first task is to generate the initial state out of our problem, right? So let's say I will generate a state. This state is the initial state, right? So this is the initial state and this is the goal state. Now the generate and test means first we are going to generate the possible solutions, which you can see in the step 2. We will have to generate possible solution by applying operator, right? So in order to reach the AI agent will have to perform some operator to this state to reach the next state, right? So we will apply some possible operator to reach a possible solution. So generate and test basically means first you will generate any possible solution without even considering whether it will reach the goal state or not, or whether it is an optimized choice or not. We're just going to apply the operator and get a possible solution. So let's say in this case, the AI algorithm says that, okay, I'm going to uh, choose this path. So this is now a generated. So this becomes the current state now or the next state. Now compare newly generated solution with the goal state, right? So let's say this is the newly generated solution by the algorithm. Then what we will do is we will compare the AI agent will compare this new state with the goal state. So compare newly generated solution with the goal state, right? So this is the third step. Now, if the solution is found, if solution is found means that the new state is the goal state. But you can see here it is not the goal state. So we are not going to quit. So we will quit only when the generated state is the goal state. Else return to step number 2, which is this step. So we will continue applying operators and we will continue from here. We will apply the operator and we will get some possible solution. So let's say in this case I get I apply the operator and I get this one as the new state. Again, it is not the goal state, and again we will apply the operator. Then we will reach here, and this one is the goal state, so the algorithm will quit. So this is a very simple example of how a generate and test algorithm is able to reach the goal state, right? So we start from the initial state, we generate the initial solution, and we keep on generating possible solutions without even considering anything like whether it will reach the goal state or not, or whether it is an optimized choice or not. And we have already studied that we can optimize it using heuristic. So we are basically studying generate and test algorithm, which is not a heuristic search technique. But if we will put some heuristic functions to make choices of the possible solutions, we are going to then call it as simple hill climbing algorithm, which we will study in the next tutorial, which is the simple hill climbing algorithm, which is a heuristic search technique, and it is a combination of heuristic search technique and the generate and test algorithm, right? So generate and test is not very difficult. It is just that at every state we are generating some possible solutions randomly without making any decisions. We are just doing it randomly, and then when we reach the goal state, we are going to quit. Now this type of search technique is known as exhaustive search. This is known as exhaustive search and also depth first search, right? So this technique is type of depth first search or exhaustive search. Exhaustive search because it is going to take a lot of steps, a lot of random states to reach the goal state, right? So that's why it is exhaustive search, because it takes a lot of time to reach the goal state. If we will introduce heuristic function in this decision making of which state should you choose next based on some heuristic function, then we can optimize it. This is the generate and test algorithm. In the next tutorial, we will study the simple hill climbing algorithm, which is a very important algorithm in artificial intelligence. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.